Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. We are just going to do a quick unbagging today and a quick little project. I wanted to throw my Instagram up there in case you guys are on Instagram. Connect with me over there at jevans underscore knife addict underscore life. We can hook up over there. And then I wanted to thank my channel members for all y'all do supporting the channel. It means everything to me, and I wanted to invite any of you who might not have had the chance yet or been so inclined to hit that subscribe button down below if you like EDC knife content, and that bell notification icon, and you'll be notified of when I upload videos like this unboxing that I'll upload here in a little bit, and when I go live. Today's unboxing knife is going to be the Griffin Scout 2.5. And this package actually comes from Keith Griffin at the Griffin Company up in Cambridge, Ontario. So let's just get into it. Two bubble envelopes. Guys, I'm loving this Scout. The more I carry it. So what I've done, as crazy as it might seem, and hopefully this isn't about to turn into a struggle bus video, but I ordered from the Griffin Company. I love the carbon fiber scales, don't get me wrong. But this is the Griffin Company. This Keith's card. You want to screenshot that. And a couple of stickers for a knife box. I don't have any Griffin Co. sticks yet that I've stuck. Leave those out there. All right. So what I picked up, allegedly, if these are the right things, which they look like they are, some OD green micarta handles to replace the carbon fiber handles. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a T8, that's a T10. Bear with me, kiddos. One, dos. There's a barrel or something in there. There's a skeletonized Scout. Hold on, guys. I'm going to wipe that down with some CPL. This stuff kind of off the tang. I think these will be a little softer in the handle. The carbon fiber wasn't a problem. It's just, we kind of change things because we're addicts. And I purchased this NAF off nafsale.com, and I really kind of wanted to do something directly with the Griffin Company. So I didn't want, and they were sold out, thank God, the Scout F3s, the folders, which I would love to have. I'm just not in the position right now to do something like that. Guys, I'm going to have to do a little finagling here. I'm probably going to have to use this other bit. I need one of Kevin's little bit holders. Trying to get it under the camera for you guys. Yeah, I see where they marked the blade steel. That's where the blade steel is marked, S35VN. All right, guys. So as soon as I get this side cinched down, we'll take a look at it. Try not to jack up the screws. All right, so we have gone from the carbon fiber, which was great, to a softer micarta, which I kind of dig. What do you guys think? I want to say these scales were, I will put a link on the Griffin Company's website. I want to say they were like $30. I don't think they were that expensive, and they're done really well. They seem to be just a real nice linen micarta. See how if that affects any of the retention. I don't think it will. No. Just perfect, guys. So that is the Griffin Company Scout 2.5 wearing some new micarta scales. I don't know if these are going to be a temporary solution or if they'll go back to carbon fiber. I guess I can kind of change them out as the weather, right? But anyway, guys, just a short unboxing, short scale swap on this Saturday afternoon. And I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate it anytime you watch one of my videos. I appreciate it if you've been so inclined to hit that subscribe button. But please, most importantly, look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.